Hello everyone, this is Ian from the Lullaby Studio, and today we will be having twins. No, they are both 1 month old, parehas baby girl. For twins, usually iba ang approach ko. No, although yung workflow ko will be the same. Kung tulog sila, we will start with the hardest pose muna. But for now, we will start with one offspring, and then we will finish up yung magkasabay sila. Again, hindi lahat ng times magkasama sila sa setup. There will be times may mga solo rin sila, and at may mga times na meron rin silang magkatabi, no? So, let's start now with the first baby girl. Okay? Okay, most of the time pagka twins, madalas low birth weight sila pagkapanganak, no? Usually, and again, pag multiple offspring in general, when I say multiple offspring, ito yung twins, triplets, etc. Kaya madalas, late, kumbaga, 3 weeks ko pa sila nasa schedule kasi, yun nga, low birth weight at saka premature most of the time. Pero in this case, na full term sila ni mommy at saka 3 kilograms parehas ng newborn, no? So, pero yun nga, mommy decided na gusto niya 1 month na si baby para siguro chunky na sila. Okay? Compared to single offspring, mas challenging talaga pag multiple offspring. They require more patience and experience. Because I only work alone, I normally ask the parents or yung mga kasambahay nila to assist me during the session. As you can see, I start muna with 1 offspring. Then, pag ready na yung isang offspring, pagsasabayin ko na sila sa isang setup. By the way, I do have an air heater sa tabi ko just to ensure na warm and comfortable yung twins. So, pagkatapos ng sabay nilang setup, I'll do the other offspring naman for her solo set. So, after ng mga semi-naked poses ng twins, we will do their wrap poses na. Sa multiple offspring talaga, dito talaga masusubukan ang pasensya at experience mo as a newborn photographer. For multiple offspring, you really need to come in prepared. Hindi lang dapat hanggang plan B, dapat hanggang plan Z. By the way, I'll be having a newborn photography workshop this coming May. Possibly 3rd or 4th week siya. So stay tuned na lang. Medyo busy pa kasi ngayon kaya hindi pa tayo nakakagawa ng poster. Hopefully ma-announce ko by this week. So, natapos na rin tayo with the twins for today. Hindi ko na na-film yung huli kasi inaantok na sa kuya. So hinahabol ko na yung family photos niya at saka sibling. So, I didn't have the time to set up pa yung video ko. So, again, it was very fast kasi for twins, madalas inaabot ako ng 3 hours. Pero sa kanila, gutom na ng konti in the middle of the session, pero halos tuloy-tuloy lang kami. So, if you want to know more about us, make sure to follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Just search for the Lullaby Studio. And again, this is Ian. Thank you so much for watching.